How to prevent birds from pooping on your fence and other surfaces. Birds may be beautiful to look at and a joy to listen to, but their droppings can become a nuisance. Bird poop can transmit diseases, especially for someone whose immune system is weak. Bird droppings have a pH level similar to vinegar, and over time the droppings can damage wood, stone, iron and steel. While you may not be able to eliminate all bird droppings from your fence and other surfaces, there are deterrents that can help frighten birds from your property. Things you will need: reflective bird diverters, string, plastic hawk or owl, pinwheels, programmable sound deterrent with speakers, reflective flash tape. Hang reflective bird diverters from strings along your fence or from the trees next to your fence. The applique on the reflectors mimics a predator bird's eyes. The movements of the diverters scare the birds, keeping them away from your fence and other areas. Attach a plastic hawk or owl on or near your fence. The sight of a predator bird will scare other birds away and keep them from pooping on your fence and other areas around your home. Ensure to move the plastic predator bird occasionally to another location so the birds don't become used to the predator bird being in one spot. Tack shiny pinwheels, the brightly colored ones children play with, along the top of your fence line. The pinwheels spin as the wind blows. The noise they create in the sunlight reflecting off the flashing surfaces frighten the birds from the area. Install a sound deterrent system on your property. Mount weatherproof speakers on the eaves of your home and in the trees near your fence line. Plug the control unit into any outdoor outlet and turn up the volume. If your unit has the capability, choose the bird species you want to frighten off your property. The sound deterrent emits a sound similar to birds in distress along with the sound of predator birds, frightening other birds from your area. Cut different lengths of reflective flash tape to hang from strings along your fence line and from the trees around your property. The tape creates a sound and flashes as the wind blows through it. These movements and sounds disturb the birds, causing them to leave the area. Tips: warnings. Once the birds get acclimated to the sight of an unmoving plastic predator bird, it will no longer frighten them from the area.